Now I'm going to take the inner fender well out with a little Milwaukee impact. So this frame might be tweaked a little bit. It is a 24-year-old truck. So I'm gonna have to jack this side up a little bit just to get this up here, and I'll tack it up there. I still need to clean some of the grease off we missed. But other than that, pull it up pretty easy. Kind of hard to do it by yourself, but throw a couple bolts in there. I threw a bolt in here just to hold it for a second, but I'm just gonna jack it up a little bit. I just only need to jack it up maybe like 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to tack it up there, weld it on. I thought I had to weld this side on, but I'm just going to leave the bolts on the back. I might weld it later, I don't know. But looks like the shock's going to clear everything. Just move some of the wires around and stuff. AC gets super close, but these are on a ton of different trucks, so it works. Clean the wires up a little bit and we're good to go. There's this metal bracket right here. You got to loosen this up a little bit and take off this one steering box bolt. You don't take anything else off. And then there's this little bolt right here that holds on something to do with brake lines or something, but just take that off. And then these 3 holes right here. This 1, 2, 3. Those are the holes that you bolt the back into.